Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability SIF, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoScan EDI. What I'm going to go through with you today is our wide range of high volume fixed fume extraction units. The range starts off with competitively priced wall-mounted units capable of extracting up to 2 extraction points, all the way up to large single centralized fan and filter units capable of extracting up to 20 points, as well as our unique systems designed specifically for oil mist extraction. At the start of the range, we've got our ProtectoExtract wall, which is a very competitively, highly cost-effective unit capable of extracting up to 2 extraction points. This comes fitted with those all-important W3 rated disposable filters. This extracts MIG, TIG and MMA welding fume and can extract steel grinding dust and fume provided it's fitted with the retrofit spark kit. This is ideal for your light welding user seeking LEV conformity at a low price where it's not feasible to fit a mobile unit in the workshop instead. Next up, we've got our Auto Cleanse wall unit, which has W3 rated automatically clean filters. This can be used to extract MIG, TIG, MMA as well as oxyacetylene and plasma fumes, and this unit can be used to extract steel grinding dust with its built-in cold plates. This unit can be fitted with up to 2 arms, allowing extraction for up to 2 points, and is ideal for your heavy usage users needing mixed extraction for a wide range of processes, doing considerable amount of welding fume extraction hours a year. Next up, we've got our EcoCube, which is a W3 rated automatically clean filter unit. This unit can extract MIG, TIG, MMA as well as oxyacetylene and plasma fumes, and this unit comes pre-fitted with the spark latch to allow steel dust grinding extraction. This unit can be fitted with up to 20 arms depending on the fan power, and is a fully modular unit, so it can be broken down to fit into smaller parts to fit onto smaller access sites. This is ideal for heavy usage users extracting multiple welding processes at several different booths on a large site, and is ideal for that training or education circuit area. Next up, we've got our ProtectoCube, which again is a W3 rated automatically clean filter unit. This unit can extract MIG, TIG, MMA as well as oxyacetylene and plasma fumes, and this has an optional spark latch that can be fitted alongside it to allow the extraction of steel dust grinding extraction. It can extract from up to 20 arms, it comes fully pre-built and fitted as standard, and it comes with a digital wall control manual so that you can monitor the filters and the system health. This is ideal for heavy usage users extracting multiple different processes from multiple different booths on a large site, and again is perfect for that training or education area. Finally, we've got our OilCue, which is a HEPA rated automatically clean filter unit. This particular unit is ideal for extracting and recycling oil mist. It has 4-stage filtration and it has 4 options for size and power, so it's ideal for small and large scale oil extraction where you're looking for a bespoke system to extract from different CNC machines. If you'd like to look at any of our other ranges for high vacuum mobile, high volume mobile or downdraft extraction, you can look at our video links below, and we also have a video on how to choose the right piece of fume extraction for you.